Healthy Food Clinic. Cellular Vitality Antioxidant Scan. For years, people have tried everything to improve their health. They eat healthier foods, follow meal plans, take supplements, and start exercise programs. Yet one major problem has remained. There has been no simple way to know if any of it is actually working. Many people struggle with low energy, stubborn weight, high blood pressure, poor sleep, stress, inflammation, and recurring health issues. They try to do the right things, but are left guessing, asking themselves, is this really helping my body? Until now, improving health has involved a lot of trial and error. People guessed whether their nutrition plan was right, whether supplements were being absorbed, and whether lifestyle changes were making a real difference. Progress was often invisible, leading to frustration and loss of motivation. That has all changed. Healthy Food Clinic is introducing an exciting breakthrough to its Health Restore program, the Cellular Vitality Antioxidant Scan. This advanced, non-invasive, pain-free scan measures antioxidant levels and oxidative stress in the body, giving valuable insight into how well your body is coping internally. There are no needles, no blood tests, and no discomfort, with results available in minutes. For the first time, you can see whether your food choices, nutrition plan, and supplements are truly supporting your health. This scan helps identify how your lifestyle is affecting inflammation, stress, and cellular health, turning health improvement from guesswork into guided action. Instead of hoping your efforts are working, you can now track real progress. At Healthy Food Clinic, we don't just test and leave you guessing. We work closely with each client, using scan results to personalize nutrition advice, adjust meal plans, recommend lifestyle improvements, and support appropriate exercise strategies. We continue to monitor progress and make changes until the right nutritional balance and healthier scores are achieved. This means your 12-month Health Restore program is personalized, responsive, and designed to deliver measurable results. To celebrate the introduction of this powerful technology, Healthy Food Clinic is offering a free Cellular Vitality Antioxidant Scan to new members who join the Healthy Food Clinic Club in February. This is a limited-time offer with a restricted number of free scans available. Once the spaces are filled, the offer will end. Stop guessing about your health. Start measuring, improving, and taking control with confidence. Join the Healthy Food Clinic Club today and take the first step towards better nutrition, improved vitality, and long-term. Free Cellular Vitality Antioxidant Scan, February only. Limited availability, www.healthyfoodclinic.com.